Hi Yvonne, hi Jordan. Here is a very first attempt at one of the spaces Jordan has told me about. This one has the stair head in it. My daughter's room has one of these in there. Never easy spaces to design for. Let's jump into it and see what we've got. So the Elfa storage system, it's a modular system of components that once these tracks are on, it's fairly easy to move things around and change what you've got. I've shown a variety of components in the space to just give you a sense of what's available, and I also have let's just jump into this quickly. There's an alternative layout with the emphasis on hanging rather than anything else. And hang on, let's go to the third one, where what have I got here? I've got some shelves. Now the reason I've split it up like that is, let's just go back to the very first one we were looking at, which is that. These are gliding shoe racks. These are gliding drawers and baskets. Elfa's gliding moving components are more expensive than simple fixed shelves and rails. So all of this stuff is cheap as chips. These are cheap. They're way cheaper than bespoke, but that's where the cost will go up, and I'm going to show you the cost difference between the very simple solutions and these more elaborate ones here. So what else can we do to make this space look a bit better? I have had a think about where we might place doors. I've got some ideas, but none of them were obvious. What I have done is, let me just jump into this component, and we're going to put there this little nib wall. I'm sure that's something Jordan can do very easily, and what this does is, for me, it tidies that whole space up visually. It turns it into a walk-in wardrobe. Let's go to transparent again, and here's the same concept. So you're having to walk into this area and look at look at the hanging clothes there. The stuff you can see from the entrance is really very minimal, and that can be made. These are nice looking products. This can be made to look very attractive. So what are we going to do next? I'm going to price. Let's hide the room now. I'm going to price for these Elfa components, and for comparison, so you've got a much simpler design. This one is just the hanging rails. I'm going to price for these Elfa components, and I'm sure Jordan will be able to give you a price for that little nib wall. And then let's see where we can take this. I have got other ideas of other ways of using the components, other ways of spinning it round, but I thought this was a good start and something to open the conversation with. Okay, looking forward to hearing from you. Bye bye.